Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your age protected on TikTok. To know how to fix or to solve age protected on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of TikTok. When you'll find this list of app and for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find your update like this, then you can click to update your app of TikTok as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.